Good day, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox a new bike. So for today, we are going to unbox our new mountain bike, the Grand Canyon 5. So this is actually my first time to unbox a new bike. And first time ko lang din man mag-a-assemble ng bike. So check natin yung video. The Grand Canyon 5 is actually the entry-level mountain bike of Canyon brand. It is a versatile and capable aluminum hardtail that takes you anywhere you want to go. So okay siya sa flats, okay siya sa mountain, light trails. It's actually a 29er with amazing components na rin to start with. This is my first time to assemble a new bike and I don't have any mechanic stand, so utilize lang natin kung anong meron sa paligid natin. In this case, I'm using the box of the bike as a stand and yung upuan para patungan para maayos ko yung bike. So diskarte lang. So the bike comes with tools that you can use para madali mong ma-assemble yung bike. So easy naman, hindi naman ako masyado nahirapan sa pag-assemble and it's quite fulfilling din nakapag-assemble ako ng bike. So if you're looking for Canyon bikes, you can definitely purchase them through their website, www.canyon.com. And if you're also looking for easier transaction, you can actually check out FC Sports and on Facebook. Doon ko nabili yung bike na to. Shout out to Sir Guzi De La Rosa. So let me share with you the specs of the bike na for an entry-level bike, sobrang okay naman ng specs. So it has an aluminum frame, a Grand Canyon frame, with a suspension fork of SR Suntour XCR. RD is Shimano Diore 12-speed, shift lever is Shimano Diore M6100, cassette is Shimano Diore 12-speed 10 to 51 teeth, crank is Shimano MT510, bottom bracket is Shimano BSA BB52, chain is a Shimano M6100 12-speed chain, brakes are Shimano MT200 with Shimano RT10 rotors, rear and front, 160mm center lock, and the rest are actually stocks from the Iridium brand by Canyon. The tires are actually Schwalbe Rapid Rub 2.25 inches at the rear, and on the front naman is Schwalbe Tough Tom 2.25 inches. So yeah, let's check out the bike.